Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete folder in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to delete any kind of folder in your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply open your Yahoo Mail. Once you open your Yahoo Mail, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the folder which you have previously created, located on the left hand side of the corner. Once you locate it, simply tap it on and you can find the delete folder option. So simply tap on delete folder and you can see that your folder has been now deleted permanently. Following this step, you can simply create any of the folder and you can delete them as per your liking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.